Hey everyone, it's Caitlin from Strimmer Crafts. Today I have an incredibly easy crochet lace stitch that anybody can do. It's called the Crochet Iris Stitch. And this stitch is ideal for those looking for a crochet stitch that is kind of open but still provides enough coverage in your fabric. It has some smaller holes and some bigger holes as you work it up, but the double crochets in it still allow for some decent coverage. Functionally, this lacy crochet stitch is just a 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet repeat, which is just so simple and easy. Plus, like the very edges of the pattern are the exact same every row, so there's really not a lot to remember. Before we start, if you like crochet lace, you are in the right place. Here on my channel, I provide tutorials for crochet lace, doilies, edging, stitches, and more. So if that sounds like your kind of crochet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. Now let's get into it. Okay, to start this pattern, you're obviously going to need your yarn and a hook to match. It really doesn't matter what you're using. And you'll need some scissors and a tapestry needle to sew in any like loose ends that you have. You can use the same color yarn if you want to. It really doesn't matter. I'm using, I think, 3 or 4 different colors here. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. Just pick a yarn, pick a hook, and let's roll with it. All right, to start the iris stitch, you need to chain a repeat of 4 plus 3. So all that means is that you're going to chain multiples of 4 until your foundation chain is long enough. And then you're just simply going to add 3 more chains at the very end of that. Okay, so I'm happy with my length, so I'm going to add 3 more at the very end. So 1, 2, and 3, just like that. All right, and for row 1, we're going to double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So right about there. So double crochet, so pull through 2, pull through 2. And then we're going to make another double crochet in that same chain that we just double crocheted into. Then we're going to chain 1 and then double crochet again in that chain. And then guess what? One more time, double crochet again, right in that chain. So that is your very first iris stitch. So it's just 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and then another 2 double crochets. Okay, so we need to skip 3 chains. So that first one right there is it's kind of tiny, so it's really easy to miss it. So make sure you count that one. So this one right here, 2, 3, and then we're going to make another iris stitch into that 4th chain. So 2 double crochets, and then a chain 1, and then another 2 double crochets. Okay, I've made 2 iris stitches now, and that's all you're going to do all the way down the length of this foundation chain. So skip 4 chains. So make sure you don't miss that first one, 2, 3, into that 4th. And then you'll just do that all the way down. Now you should have 2 chains left after your very last iris stitch. Okay, I'm at the end of row 1. I have my 2 chains left after my last iris stitch. And I'm going to simply place a double crochet into the very last chain. So I'm going to skip that one and then just go right there in that last one. Just like that. All right, for row 2, we are now going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to turn our work. And then try to find that chain 1 space that we made. Right. So you'll skip these 2 double crochets and it should be right there, right between the 2. So in that space, you're going to make another iris stitch. So skip on over right into that chain space. We're going to make 2 double crochet and then chain 1. And then we will make another 2 double crochet in that space. And then that's all you do for this row. So we're going to skip over to the next chain 1 space and then make another iris stitch. Just like that. So you see I have 4 double crochets in between the 2 iris stitch shells. So continue this way until the very end, and then I'll show you the end of row 2. Okay, I'm at the end of row 2 here. I have all my shells in those chain 1 spaces. And to finish this row, we need to make a double crochet in the top chain of that foundation row. So you're going to skip these last 2 double crochet, and it's going to be that first chain right next to them. So this one right here. Like so. And that's it for the iris stitch. You're just going to continue row 3, 4, and beyond. Just like that, you'll chain 3, turn, and then make your shells in those chain 1 spaces. That's it. It's so easy and a little bit more unique than your standard double or single crochet like over and over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this crochet lace tutorial of the iris stitch. If you want more tutorials, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.